sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
STARBASE is a DoD-funded program where we bring in anywhere from 15 to 1,700 kiddos a year from San Angelo and the surrounding areas, and we teach them 25 hours of science, technology, engineering, and math. As soon as they walk through that door, we hit the ground running. We typically open up with a CAD program, computer-aided design, every morning, and then we slowly get into all of our different lessons. But it's about 5 non-stop hours that they are actively moving around, doing some sort of activity, and just getting their hands in and on everything.
They get a little bit of physics, chemistry, engineering, obviously mathematics, rockets 101.
We have Newton's laws of motion, as well as they learn about the different types of energy. They learn about atoms that make up molecules.
They learned about 3D printing and printers. They also learn about robotics.
The robotics challenges, they are given 4 different paths. They have to learn how to calculate the number of rotations it takes to travel a certain distance or to turn a certain degree, and then they have to complete all of those paths.
My favorite activity was the Lego cars, because there's a lot of teamwork involved. So like I would do the calculations and my partner would put it on the track and start the program.
One of the most important things is not only that they're learning, but they're having fun, and they can associate learning with a good time. And so hopefully they get a passion for that as they come through this program.
The ultimate goal is to really expose them, kind of plant the seed, so to speak, and hopefully they follow some sort of career path, whether it's through the civilian sector, DoD, or the military.
I was super excited because like I've always wanted to be an engineer and be like a pilot and be involved with all the mechanical stuff. And going there was awesome, but when I left, I still wanted to do it because of how much fun it was.
You know, Goodfellow was chosen as a host site. We are one of 4 STEM STARBASE programs in the state of Texas, and we're happy to have one right here on our own backyard here in West Texas.